Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a glowing text animations in CapCut. So here on the CapCut editing page, here on the explore, if you can see, there is this option glowing text animation. So by clicking that, CapCut will show you how you can create the trending text, a glowing text animation. This is some of the suggestions for you that you can find it under the animation feature. So let's try it now. Just click on try it now button and add the video that you want to edit. So for example, I'm going to edit this video. Just click on add. Now click on tags. Just write the tags. For example, okay, and after that go to animation. So under the in category, there are lots of glowing text animations that you can use. So I'm going to try use this in love animation. Let's see the result like that. And here I think I'm going to change the font to make it looks more cool. Okay, let's try this one. Click on a check icon. So this will be the result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.